In today's video, we're going to solve a very common problem in the photo video world. And if you've been using Pelican cases or off-brand hard cases for any length of time, you're very, very familiar with this problem. This stuff is really good for protecting your gear, but it's not very robust by itself. It breaks apart really easily. And once that insert has broken apart, you kind of have to replace the entire insert, and that can be very expensive. Now, what I'm going to share with you is a very simple solution on how we can repair these cases and then fuse them into one solid piece of foam, just like this, with a very simple product. All right, so a couple of things you're going to need for this process. The first thing you'll want is some kind of paper mask. The product that we're going to be using, it is an aerosol, so that does give off some nasty fumes. So you want to make sure you're not breathing that in directly as much as possible. The second thing you're going to need is shoe glue, and this really comes into play if you want to glue little bits that have broken off back into place. This is a glue that I found works really, really well. It's flexible and it doesn't go really, really hard. So this makes it really good for Pelican cases where you need, that flexibility amongst the pieces of foam. The third thing you're going to need is a drop sheet. Now this is a spray and it's going to go everywhere. So whatever you're spraying this on, you want to make sure that that's protected. So a simple drop sheet is really important. And of course, you need a can of PlastiDip. You can pick this up in Australia. You can get this on eBay for about $15 a can. I've found that it takes about a can and a half for a small to medium sized case. So you're probably going to want a couple of these. And of course, for cleanup, you're going to want some sort of alcohol wipe just to get this PlastiDip off your fingertips once you're finished. So this is a really cool product, and I'm going to take you through the process now of how to fix a case insert just like this one. First step is we're going to reattach those little pieces that have come loose, and then we're going to spray it with our PlastiDip. So now that we've glued all of our pieces back into place, and as you can see, we have two sections of foam that are now matching. They're the same shape. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to apply our PlastiDip, and you want to spray fairly heavily. So I've found with a case this size, you're looking about 1 to 1.5 cans per case once you've done both sides of the foam. Now you want to go with a fairly heavy application because you want the PlastiDip to go in between all of those individual little cubes of foam. So I'm going to pop my mask on. Apologies if that impacts the sound a little bit. Give your PlastiDip a good shake. So you want to go over each section probably twice. You want to do 2 layers and nice and even across the entire piece of foam. Okay, so now that you've gone over the surface, the top surface of the foam, you also want to make sure that you get the inside areas as well. So I'm going to work my way around the inside of this piece of foam now. So that's our spray application completed. So we've done all of the insides and the top layer of this side of foam. So we'll wait about 30 minutes to an hour for this side to dry, and we'll flip it over and do the same thing on the back side of the foam as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video will help breathe some new life into your old and sorry Pelican cases. If you got something out of this and you'd like to see more videos just like this, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video so that we can help more people just like you. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.